The best infrared thermometers let you take people's temperature from a safe distance. That's great for you. That's great for them. And it means you can quickly test a group of people with the minimum of fuss. An infrared thermometer, aka non-contact thermometer or pyrometer, works by measuring infrared radiation. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best infrared thermometer in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. iHealth PT3 Forehead Thermometer. Looking for an infrared thermometer that's super simple to use? This is the one. With a single button for a readout, you direct it at the center of the forehead from about 2 centimeters away, just under an inch, and you can get an accurate reading without an annoying confirmation beep. In a market swamped with just good enough packaging, it's nice to find a quality document explaining you how best to use this kind of thermometer, specifically to measure the center of the forehead, just above the nose, when dry. The system algorithmically combines data from 100 readings, plus a distance measure and an ambient temperature thermometer, all of which boosts confidence in the reading. Number 2. GE TrueCheck TM3000. The GE TrueCheck isn't the cheapest digital thermometer, but it comes from a brand associated with reassuring quantity of medical equipment, so you are getting a high-quality product. In their explanatory video, GE aren't shy about the 30-second wait between use, or the potentially more frustratingly 30-minute wait you should observe when moving from one room to another. That said, the fact they're putting this limitation front and center, rather than drowning us in marketing speak, feels reassuringly sincere. Number 3. Withings Thermo. A Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connected smart thermometer, the Withings Thermo doesn't just take accurate readings from the forehead, it records them too. So the main benefit here is the ability to pass on multiple measurements to health professionals, quickly and easily. The 20 by 5 pixel LED display looks futuristic, and it doesn't just show the readout, you can swipe up to select the family member. Oddly, the app is limited to 8 profiles, but at least that's enough for most families. There is a memory on board for up to 32 readings, which can be transferred to an Android or iOS device. And, thanks to the Wi-Fi, distance is less of an issue than with Bluetooth-only devices. Number 4. Extech IR200 Non-Contact Forehead Thermometer. Want to avoid standing too close to the people you're measuring? This is a great infrared thermometer for measuring the temperature of groups of people, such as students or colleagues, from a distance. The pistol-like design means that it is easy to use, and with a measuring range of up to 5.9 inches away, there is a greatly reduced risk of actually touching the person's forehead or transmitting infections. Extech is a subsidiary of FLIR, which is the biggest name in thermal imaging, which should give some reassurance as to the quality of this product. It has big button controls and a simple-to-read display, and promises accurate readings in just 0.5 seconds. Number 5. Braun ThermoScan 7. This infrared thermometer uses an in-ear measuring technique, which does mean you will have to get in close to the person. But by pressing the probe into the ear, using a disposable plastic guard, you can push the accuracy of the measurement to plus or minus 0.15 C. There are 21 probe guards in the box, and 50 compatible ones cost about the same as a large latte. This thermometer also uses Braun's H precision technology to remind you what is a safe temperature. Tap the button to cycle through 0 to 3 months, 3 to 36 months, and over 36 months, and, when you take a reading, you'll get a color-coded backlight, yellow for elevated or red for high. That was our list of the top 5 best infrared thermometer in 2023 just for you.